Kino yang lambat kita khot ketenat Jantar Students Union New Delhi kilami syakmat ban Kyrshan bat syembentah ka Jingiakhih ki Samla puli na kelengkari bandawa ya menteri puli puthi ke Sarkar India Dharmendra Pradhan ban hiarno mardor na kasyuki na kajing bamla jong u bante la kamme ketenat puli puthi de kajing latu ki jing keli ke exam need bat hakiwe ki exam ki bakta ya kalawe ki Samla Samla Nilki Mukhim General Secretary haka kerwo ba ula pha sha ka Sarkar NDA ula kentui ke Sarkar ba kamde ban kensting ki jing ut jong ki Samla puli ula ong ka jing ateli ki Samla puli jong kari kala ban pen khlem ki bor ki baklan ula ong ka Sarkar India kala persang ban pendan kam de ki bor pulet bor lathi bat bor leer selang khmat persha ya ki Samla puli hakini kisngi kani ka de ka jing pendan kam bakla ya ki atyar ka bor sensyar ula ong ru na kajing lai tu ki jing keli jong ki exam hakari bonur ki Samla kila du jing kermen ya kalawai bat kila dekhat jubor la ka jong kajing em kani hi ka pen i ya kajing deko katenat puli puthi hakari baro kawai ha Shillong ki Samla puli ha school ba NEHU kinong hikai bat ka khasi students union NEHU unit kila mi syakmat ban ai kajing Kyrshan ya ki Samla ki bayakhi Mantar ha Jantar Mantar New Delhi ula ong.
Today from the Jantar Students Union, we congratulate all the students of India for prevailing over this biggest obstacle that the whole Union of India has faced. And this sends a clear message to the central government and especially to the other state governments that they should not mess with the power of the youth, because the truth and the power of the youth will always prevail over them. As being members of the Jantar Students Union, we are happy to be a part of this history, in creating history on the successful resignation of the Education Minister.
One more thing, we are so glad to be here. Victory at last prevailed. The Minister himself has to resign. This shows that when the youth or the student of the nations, when we are the one who elected them into power, sometimes they oppress us. This shows that they cannot oppress us. Always democracy win at last. This is the clear message to the government of India and the government of Meghalaya as well, that don't mess with the power of students. This is a clear message to the government of India and the clear message to the government of Meghalaya as well. Don't pressurize the youth. Don't use us as a puppet. Remember, we have our own brothers and sisters. We have a family. You also have your family. You also have your sons and daughters who are going to appear for this exam. This is the victory of the people. This is the victory of the people of India as well. Thank you very much.
Adin gajing yakhi kepala nek kumbasi benai ai nang jong ke Sarkar India kala pendem haki student kane kadai ka jingjob jong ki student jong barok ki student for India nang kadang ngajuang nang kapor bangim dei ban underestimate yang kapowar jong ki student namar ban lagi student ki ya khmat kim salia ya kata tier gas leti charge ni pi pengat kita gi FIR ke beper namarnya iba hak arpau terik paneliang jong ka Sarkar India kala persang misuse ya ka fundamental right jong pajba dan kata kada wakwa ban ha kan Khubor sha ka Sarkar India ba himdai ban lebor himdai ban sim ya ka bor hakti nek menta ka puar jong ki student namar menta ka sing ke jingjob kadai ke jingjob jong ki student jong barak ke India dah habai dai bat kani neliang jongi kas Jantar Student Union ni pha Khubor ka Sarkar Meghalaya kumjo bala na piyai persang ban le thok ne ban le to i question paper DSC MPSC kan mau ba kan sapoi ka por bagi student Jingiakhih bat kin pha ya kin sim ya kata ka bor kham tam ni kusuki ki ba pi penyai ya ka bor ka hajrong dan kadang-kadang pha Khubor ba wat le kai ya ka demokrasi waju snow ba kabor jong pi bamla chuban bangklem namar ki ba wat kajing pen jong Sarkar India hado bagi student gila sha shibun kata gila teachers idan ro student gi balaya pa tu singa apel trik tanah kada ba government misuse ke power jong ka tekane kada message sha baro gi state bat ke Sarkar India ba ndai ban sim ya ka anyakti ndai ban misuse ke power ke ba legit do pajba ya pi kan mau ba upajba ubaji de pi pajba un ban penhiar ya pi kumbajia mata kesni bila shibun